So this is XAUUSD analysis for Thursday the 12th of October, XAUUSD, also known as gold. So what have we seen happen here? Prices initially responded to this high time frame moving average, selling off a little bit, but buyers have stepped into the market. We did sell off almost all the way back down to support at, which was previous resistance at 1284, and prices were bought back up. So currently, where do we expect prices to go? We do appear to be putting in a bull flag at the moment, so I am expecting prices to head to the upside. I'm expecting a test of the 1296 level, over which 305, 1305, so 1305, and above that 1320. We are unlikely to see 1320 by the end of the week, but 1305 is definitely possible. So I'm expecting a continuation beyond 1296. If we do break down from 1296, again I'll be looking at a test of the 1284 level, beneath which 1280 becomes an important level. By then the 200 period moving average, which currently sits at 1278, will likely be up at the 1280 level. Beneath that, again, we'll be looking all the way back down to our 1263. I don't expect prices to go all the way down there, unless we have a bad reaction, a key level, more likely 1305 than 1296 or 1320. So my overall view for XAUUSD is bullish, and provided that we can continue to hold above, especially this high time frame moving average, which is currently sitting at 1288, and we do hold above 1284 as well. Also, now, yes, that should pretty much conclude my analysis on this lower time frame. Go out to the higher time frames. Let's see where we are. Let's get scaling on here correct. Again, we've put in the lows. We've had a higher low. I was expecting to move to 1375. We've not had that. We've pulled back quite a bit from 1357. Now, currently this month, if we're not seeing the follow through in selling of the XAUUSD or gold selling, so there is still time for there to be more selling on the XAUUSD, but at present we do have somewhere to go to break down from the current bullish momentum, particularly on the lower time frames. So let's just have a look at the weekly. Again, on the weekly we had 4 consecutive weeks of selling, all the way down into all the way down to horizontal support at 1263. The reaction at 1263, we've seen this week here, and we've seen a continuation this week to the upside, which suggests that the bears have stepped out of the way and bulls have stepped into the market, or there isn't that many bears, or the bulls have pretty much got the stronger hand at the moment. Just gonna have a drink. So on the weekly time frame, again, we're expecting prices to continue upwards. If they continue upwards, we're looking again, well, before the 1375, we're going to see our price react around that 1357 level. We've still got the high time frame moving average in and around that level at 1375. So we'll see our price react. That's quite a bit away, so it's not going to be our main focus. Our main focus is on the hourly time frame and to the upside. So if I have a look at the daily chart, and this is pretty much the kind of reversal I'd like to see. Price have come down. As you can see, it's reacted to not only 1263, but it's reacted to this high time frame moving averages as well. And the reason I like these kind of reversals are the candles are pretty much all of the same color, whether it's selling or buying. They do not break it's pretty much not a messy trend. Like say for example over here, we have pretty much prices going nowhere. There is a lot of buying and selling all in the same on daily candles. So 1 week might be a sell day, the other week might be a buy day. It's just not very good. It's not very good at all. So whereas this, we've got currently we've got 4 consecutive bullish candles, which I like for a reversal, suggesting that the bears have stepped out of the way. They've not been able to have a bearish close, and so yeah, that's the reason I prefer it. So on this daily time frame, suppose we could determine this to be a new higher low. So we've got the lows over here with pretty much a double bottom over there. We've got lows, a double bottom, higher lows, and now we're going to post a even higher low than that. So eventually a test of 1357 over the medium to long term. But on this daily chart, you can see here it is a pretty strong reversal counter trend move, and which is supportive of my bias to the long side. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.